We're taking COVID in the law. It's being taught by Professor Allison Hoffman, Dean Ted Ruger, and Professor Karen Taney.
They're co-teaching it in 3 different sections. The first was about constitutional law and both federal and state authority. The second by Professor Hoffman was focused on health law, and the third on social welfare law.
We're all going through this, but we're all experiencing it in a different way. So the class really shed a lot of light on kind of how different people are being impacted.
The Attorney General of North Carolina was giving us real-time information on the developments of the situation. And I think that's something that we couldn't have gotten elsewhere, especially for a summer class.
The wide range of subject matter experts gave a real substantive feel to the class, and we've been able to do it from the comfort of our own homes.
The workload in terms of deliverables was very asynchronous. So, we have to do 3 papers, one for each of our 3 professors and units, but the onus is on you to decide when you want that to happen. It was helpful for us to be able to maybe get 2 of those papers out of the way before we even started working, and then, take on the 3rd one once our workload maybe slowed down a bit in the middle of the summer.
I've really enjoyed my placement at Skadden. It's definitely different than in summers past, but the firm has been very proactive in how they've thought about keeping us engaged, getting us involved in ongoing matters.
A big part of the summer for a lot of students is figuring out what they want to do. And I think getting the full 360 understanding of what an associate or even a partner in a specific practice does is a bit harder to do remotely, because you can't, just sit there and shadow someone. Being more intentional about that, and also forcing yourself to maybe work outside of your comfort zone and reaching out to people, is a skill that you are forced to develop being remote.
I hope that we come out of this moment, better than we came in. I hope that we come out with a stronger sense of community, with a stronger sense of understanding how important we all are together.
This time period has really helped you learn how to prioritize, and at least help me understand what's most important. Family first, but also, in my career, what am I looking for? And in my personal life, what are some things that maybe I used to do that I thought were so necessary, but really in order to be happy and continue on, you don't need a lot of those things. Just to understand your own personal priorities is something really great that came out of this.